Last 6 boys, don't move here and there. Cover up. Brace margin. Inside. Stretch. 1. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Studies. Attention. Studies. Attention. Now everyone be ready for this practice. Everybody, hands cover up. Inside, hands up. Inside, hands down. Studies. Attention. Now be ready for school song. So sing yourself. 1, 2, 3, start. Ready sound. In 19. Hands cover up. Stretch your hands. Inside. Hands up. Straight up. Inside. Hands down. Steady. Attention. For this rhythmic sound. Steady. Attention. Steady. Okay, I'd like to call respected speakers to deliver their speech. Please come on the stage.
Very warm good morning to all respected vice principals, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. It's me, as you all know, it's me, Sudhir Phalgun from grade 7, standing in front of you to say about Memorable Day. Without wasting your time, I like to start. Everyone has memories in their daily life. Some memories are bad and some are good. Bad memories, bad memories can only be remembered for a short period of time, and good memories can be remembered for your entire life. Like that, I got also one memorable day. That day was my birthday. I was very excited for my birthday. That day I woke up early in the morning. I completed I completed all my works, and my family wishes me happy birthday. Uh, After that, we went to Pashupatinath temple. After reaching the temple, we worship God. After worshiping God, we take photos, and we came home. That's all about my memory. Thank you.
प्रधानध्यापकज्यू गुरुवर्ग आदरणीय सहप्रधानध्यापकज्यू गुरुवर्ग साथीभाइ तथा मेरो प्यारा भाइ बहिनीहरू म सङ्गम साल कक्षा 9 को छात्र आज यहाँ छोटो कथा भन्न आएको छु। मेरो कथाको शीर्षक रहेको छ दुईटा साथी र एउटा भालु। एकादशमा दुईटा साथीहरू थिए, एउटा पातलो साथी थियो र मोटो साथी थियो। उनीहरू दुईटा एक दिन जङ्गलको बाटो गइरहेका थिए। अचानक भालु आयो र पातलो साथी केही नसोचिकन रुखमा चढ्यो र मोटो साथी मरेको नाटक गर्यो। भालुले मोटो साथीलाई मरेको भनेर छोडेर गयो र पछि पातलो साथी रुखबाट झरेर सोद्धाखेरि भालुले कानमा के भन्यो भन्दाखेरि एउटा झुलो साथी कहिले पनि साथी बनाउनु हुँदैन भनेर भन्यो। यस कथाबाट हामीले हाम्रो वरिपरि साँचोभन्दा झुटो साथीहरू धेरै पाउँछ भन्ने शिक्षा पाउन सक्छौँ। धन्यवाद।
Everyone, hands cover up. Check your line. Inside. Hands up. Clap together. Give them 1, 2, 3 to 5. More side. Clap 4, 5. Inside. Hands down. Steady. Attention. Steady. Attention. Nice time. Class 5 girls. For the song, 1, 2, 1, 2. Class 8, 19. Class 4, move forward.